At some point in our lives, it often happens that we go to use our phone's camera and get this message. A camera error. If that's your case, well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we're going to use a completely different method to solve this error. Why? Because these errors are common. Having said all that, this doesn't what model of phone you have. The process is the same, the recovery is the same. No matter what phone model you have. The first thing we're going to do is the following. We're going to locate the Settings option, select Settings. Then here in Settings we're going to scroll down and look for the Applications option. Once we're here in Applications, we're going to scroll down and select Camera. We're going to select our camera. Once we've selected our camera, we're going to do the following. We can also find it here. We can also select Camera. We tap here where it says Application Info and it will take us to the same section. What are we going to do? We're going to click here where it says Delete. We're going to delete it and tap OK. Then we tap it again. Tap OK, and we'll delete all the data. Then what we're going to do is close that tab and then we're going to click on our camera. It will ask for permission. You'll say yes up here, and that will recover your camera.